Lately, faceless YouTube channels centered around Buddhism and Zen stories have been taking the platform by storm. Channels like Words of Wisdom, which has skyrocketed to over 1 million subscribers, consistently draw in millions of views with each video. Newcomers like Wisdom Insight and Wisdom Direction are also rapidly gaining momentum, quickly building large, engaged audiences. What's the secret to their success? These channels are harnessing the power of AI to create and grow their content at an impressive pace. In this video, I'm going to take you step by step through the process of building your own successful faceless YouTube channel in the Buddhism niche. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear roadmap to create a channel that can thrive just like the ones mentioned. So if you're ready to join the ranks of these booming channels, let's dive into the 6 essential steps to get you started. Step 1. Creating a channel name and logo. We'll start building our faceless YouTube channel with a focus on Buddhism by finding a meaningful channel name. If you've already set up your channel, you can skip this step and move on to step 2. To come up with a great channel name, let's take inspiration from successful channels like Wisdom Insights, Words of Wisdom, and Wisdom Directions. You can also use ChatGPT to generate potential names for your channel. Before we begin, I'd like to mention that all the prompts used in this video, along with the basic steps, are available in a Google Docs file linked in the video description. To create a channel name, I'll type the following prompt. I am building a YouTube channel with a niche about Buddhism and Zen stories. Please suggest 10 similar channel names like Wisdom Insights, Words of Wisdom, Wisdom Directions. Instantly, ChatGPT will provide you with 10 great channel name suggestions. You can pick one to use as your channel name. In this tutorial, I'll choose the third suggestion, Tranquil Teachings, which I find both beautiful and meaningful. Next, we'll ask ChatGPT to write a short description for our channel using this prompt. I choose number 3. Please provide a concise and well-organized channel description that incorporates emojis for added engagement, along with a call to action encouraging viewers to subscribe. Now that we have a channel name and description, it's time to create a logo for the channel. To create the logo, I'll use Leonardo AI, one of the best AI image generators on the market. I'll also use this AI to create visuals for our video tutorial. The link to access Leonardo AI is provided in the video description. You can sign up for a free account, which gives you 150 free tokens daily, more than enough to create one basic video per day. But first, we need to brainstorm logo ideas and ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for us. Take inspiration from other channels in this niche, as they often use Buddhist symbols in their logos. Let's type this prompt into ChatGPT. Please suggest 10 symbols that represent Buddhism and meditation. You can use these Buddhist symbols to create your logo. Here I'll use the lotus flower, a beautiful and meaningful symbol. Next, we'll ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for Leonardo AI to create our logo. Write a prompt for Leonardo AI to create a logo for a YouTube channel called Tranquil Teachings with a lotus symbol. Now that we have the prompt, copy it and paste it into Leonardo AI to generate the logo. Start by clicking on Image Creation. In the Preset section, select Graphic Design. For preset style, I'll choose Graphic Design 2D. Set contrast to medium. For the image quality, choose fast. In image dimensions, select a square one. 1 aspect ratio for the logo design, and choose small with dimensions of 888 x 888 pixels. Perfect for a YouTube channel logo. Choose the number of images to generate, then paste the prompt ChatGPT created into the prompt window and click Generate. Here's the logo that Leonardo created for us exactly as requested. Isn't it beautiful? Click here to download it and then upload it as your channel's logo on YouTube. Now that we've completed the first step of creating a channel, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Finding video ideas and writing a script. This is the most crucial step as it determines the success of your channel. Of course, a well-developed channel thrives on great content. If you're new to this niche, finding compelling ideas can be challenging, especially if you lack a rich source of data to fuel your content creation. No worries, I'll show you how. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to find resources for you. Type in this prompt. I am building a YouTube channel with a niche about Buddhism, Zen stories, mindfulness, and meditations. Give me 10 English websites that specialize in these topics. Immediately, ChatGPT will provide you with the best websites on these topics. I've also curated the top websites in this niche for you in a Google Docs file linked in the video description. Now, let's visit one of the websites ChatGPT suggests. I'll choose the first one, Lion's Roar, a well-known site about Buddhism. You can see that the website receives over 500,000 visitors per month, a significant number, and the articles are of very high quality. Notably, most of the traffic comes from the United States, indicating that Buddhism is gaining increasing interest worldwide. Click on the menu and explore the topics available. Have you started to see some ideas for your content? Let's say I choose Buddhist wisdom and scroll down. There are many high-quality articles to explore. Now I'll show you how to turn one of these articles into your video content. I'll select an article as an example, copy it to a Google Docs file, and read through it to get a general understanding. This particular article is a discussion where Zen masters share their thoughts on accepting and coping with the suffering of others in the context of Buddhism. My idea is to transform this discussion into an engaging and easy to understand Zen story. I'll copy the article and type the following prompt into ChatGPT. I give you an article. Based on this content, write a really good and interesting Zen story for a YouTube video with the main characters being an old Zen master and a young man. Write it simply and make it easy to understand. And boom, ChatGPT has written a wonderful Zen story for us. Much simpler and easier to understand than the original content, right? We'll use this as the script for our video. Repeat this process to generate excellent content, and don't forget to credit your sources in the video description. Another tip, if you're serious about this niche, read as many articles from these websites as possible. The more you understand and love the subject, the more ideas you'll generate over time, allowing you to create compelling content. Let's move on to the next step. Step 3, creating voiceover and background music. To create the most engaging and professional voiceover, I'll use a well-known AI tool called ElevenLabs. The link to access this AI is in the video description. It's easy to create a new account and start finding the perfect voice. Typically, for a Buddhism-related niche, we'd look for a deep, warm, and mature male voice that resonates with listeners. Here, I'll suggest two voices, Brian and Kingsley. Let's listen to them.
If you look at what you have in life, you'll always have more.
Sounds good, right? Now, copy the script you created with ChatGPT into ElevenLabs, keeping in mind that you can only paste up to 5,000 characters at a time.
In a peaceful Zen temple, nestled deep in the mountains, a young man sought guidance from an old Zen master.
That's it, we've completed the voiceover. Next we'll find background music for the video. There are many ways to find the right background music. In this case, I'll search for tracks on Epidemic Sound. Go to the search bar and type mindfulness. Epidemic Sound will present you with numerous options. Listen and choose the track that best fits your video. Step 4, creating images and converting images to animation. To create images for the video, we'll once again use ChatGPT to generate prompts and then use those prompts in Leonardo AI to create images. Now, with the script we created in step 2, we'll ask ChatGPT to help us develop suitable scenes and generate prompts for creating images. Type this prompt into ChatGPT. Let's create scenes for the YouTube video with the above content. Create a 3-column table. Column 1 contains the script, column 2 is the scene, and column 3 is the prompt for Leonardo AI to create images for that scene. ChatGPT will then create scene descriptions and prompts for us. This table format allows you to easily visualize which images correspond to each part of the script, which will be helpful in step 5 when we edit the video. Now, let's copy the image prompts and input them into Leonardo AI. We'll start by creating the first image. Click on Image Creation. For preset, I'll select concept art to illustrate our content. For preset style, I'll leave it as the default character sheet. Set contrast to medium. You can keep the image generation mode on fast to optimize your daily free tokens, or if you're using the paid version, set it to quality for sharper images. For image dimensions, choose a 16:9 aspect ratio for the YouTube video. I'll select 2 images to generate at a time. Paste the prompt for image 1 into Leonardo AI and click generate. Now we have our first image. Zoom in and you'll see a beautifully rendered scene. If you want to animate the image, click on this small icon, set motion strength to 3 to 5, then click generate. In just a few moments, Leonardo will turn your image into an animation. Amazing, isn't it? However, note that this can be token intensive, so you may want to upgrade to the paid version of Leonardo for more token flexibility. If you're using the free version, you can stick to creating static images, and in step 5, I'll show you how to animate these images using CapCut. Download the first image and continue creating the second one. To ensure a consistent style across all images and maintain a professional look throughout the story, we'll use Leonardo AI's style reference feature. In the prompt window, click on this small icon and choose the style reference option. You can refer to a video guide on using Leonardo's reference features in the link provided in the description. Next, upload the first image or select it from your generation to use as a style reference. Then click Generate. Now we have the second image in the same style as the first. Repeat this process for all subsequent images. If you want to animate any of them, just follow the steps I've outlined. Let's move on to the next step. Step 5. Editing the final video. Now that we have all the elements, images, animated footage, voiceover, and background music, we'll combine them into a complete video using CapCut, one of the most powerful video editing tools available today. You can access CapCut via the link in the video description. Download the CapCut PC application for the most convenient use. On my screen now is the CapCut PC interface. We'll start by importing the assets we created in the previous steps. I'll drag these images into the sequence for editing, followed by the voiceover created with ElevenLabs. As you can see, the voiceover determines the video's length, and it's currently longer than the duration of the images above. Our task is to extend the duration of the images to match the voiceover. Refer back to the script and scene arrangement created by ChatGPT in step 4. Read through it to determine which image corresponds to each part of the script, then adjust the length of each image to fit your script. Next, I'll add animations to the images. Since we already animated the first scene using Leonardo AI, I won't animate it further. For the second scene, click on it, then select Animation. Choose the motion effects you prefer. I'll pick animations based on my personal preference for the remaining scenes. To give our video a cinematic feel, I'll add an effect. Click on Effect, search for Film Frame, and drag this effect down to cover the entire video. Next, drag the background music track we selected from Epidemic Sound, adjust the length to match the video, and lower the volume slightly compared to the voiceover. To create subtitles, click on Caption, select English as the language, and choose Auto Caption. Then click Generate. CapCut will automatically create subtitles for you. Click on any subtitle, then select Template. There are many beautiful subtitle templates to choose from. I'll pick this one, and we're done. Let's preview the video.
In a peaceful Zen temple, nestled deep in the mountains, a young man sought guidance from an old Zen master. Known for his wisdom and deep compassion, the young man had been troubled by a question that weighed heavily on his heart. One evening, as the sun began to set, casting a golden hue over the temple's garden, the young man approached the Zen master, who was seated under a large oak tree, his eyes closed in meditation. The young man hesitated for a moment, but then spoke softly. "Master, I have a question that I cannot find an answer to. I have learned to understand and accept my own suffering. But when I see the suffering of others, children, animals, or anyone in pain, I feel a deep sorrow that I cannot bear. How can I accept this suffering without feeling so helpless?"
Looks great, doesn't it? To export the video, click on Export, name your file, choose the location to save it, and select the resolution. I'll go with 4K, then click Export, and after a short wait, you'll have the finished video on your computer. Let's move on to the next step. Step 6. Optimizing video uploads for SEO. First, we need a catchy and appropriate title for our video. Go to ChatGPT in the same window where you worked on the original story and type this prompt. Please give me 10 good and meaningful titles that best match the content of the YouTube video above. ChatGPT will generate several titles, and I'm particularly fond of the fourth one as it's both catchy and relevant. I'll ask ChatGPT to write an SEO-optimized description for our video using this title. Remember to perform these tasks in the same workflow with ChatGPT to get the best support. Here's the prompt I'll use. I choose number 4. Please write an SEO standard description for the video with this title, adding emojis appropriate to the context. Now we have an SEO-optimized title and description. The next step is to create a thumbnail for the video. To design a professional thumbnail, I'll use Canva. You can access Canva via the link in the description. On Canva's homepage, click on Create a Design and search for YouTube Thumbnail. Here, we'll upload an image we created with Leonardo AI for our video. In the element section, search for black shadow and drag it into the design to create a background for the title. Next, add text, change the color to white, and refer back to our title. I won't write the entire title on the thumbnail, just the main keyword, finding peace in suffering. Make the text large, change the font to extra bold, and highlight the word suffering in yellow. Now we have a complete thumbnail. Download it and upload it to YouTube. Before uploading to YouTube, one crucial SEO tip is to rename the video and thumbnail files using the video title. This is one of the SEO tips I've learned. Once you've uploaded the video and thumbnail and filled in the description, the most critical SEO factor to help your video be easily discovered on YouTube is selecting the right tags. There are many ways to find the best tags for your video, but the most effective and straightforward method is using the VidIQ app, the best SEO tool for YouTube currently available. You can access VidIQ from the link provided in the description. On VidIQ's homepage, click on Keyword, then paste our title into the search bar. VidIQ will list the most searched keywords related to our title. Select about 30 keywords and copy them into the tag section of your video. So there you have it. I've walked you through the 6 essential steps for building your channel, finding ideas, creating scripts, making videos, and optimizing video uploads for SEO. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating engaging and professional content for your faceless YouTube channel. Remember, consistency and creativity are key to growing your channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to Teny AI Zone for more AI-driven tips and tricks.